Hello, my name is Pawan Chandrasekhar, and today's my topic is technical, which is main method in Java. So as we know, there are multiple methods in Java. It's like there are multiple methods. So the entry point of our Java, the entry point of executions of our Java program is the main method. So as we know, there are so many methods, but the entry point of the Java program is main method. That is uh, the JVM execute the main method at the first. That is, JVM identifies the main method and start the executions of program from the main method. It is the entry point of the Java program. So as we know, there are multiple classes in Java. We can declare a multiple classes in Java, but JVM identifies and execute the main method at the first. So main method, we can say that main method is the starting point of executions of our Java program. It is the fundamental method in a Java program. So the signature of main method is public static void main. So public static void main string args, it is the fixed and specific signature of main method. So let's discuss each word one by one. What exactly the meaning of that word is. So first is a public is the keyword which indicates that this method is accessible from anywhere. It's like there is a multiple access modifiers in a Java. It's like public, private, protected. It's mean if we declare a method as a public, then it means that we can access this method from anywhere in a Java program. Another one is like protected. It's mean that this method is accessible only up to this class, and another one is a private. This method also shows that this method or the variables declared inside this method is accessible only up to this class. So this is about the public, which shows that this method is accessible from anywhere in the program. Next is a public static. Static keyword shows that this method is accessible only to this class rather than to any specific instance of class. This is about the static. Next one is a public static void. Void is a keyword which is the return types, which gives the value return. So void indicate that void does not return any return value. So our main method does not return any return value. It's just the execution starting point. That is the void method. Another one is a public static void main. So main is the name of method which identifies by the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, while executions of the Java program. That is, when we start executions of Java program, that's time if we write the sequence of Java program, like we declare multiple classes and the main method is written at the bottom of the bottom of the program. Although that's time our Java virtual machine identifies the main method, either it's at the bottom or it's at the middle. Although it's execute at very first. So it is the name method, and it is the fixed in Java. So public static void. Another one is a public static void main, and next one is a string args. So string args, it is a command line argument in Java. That is here that is args. Args is the argument line which allows Java program to pass any command line in a Java program. That is, it is about the public static void main. So let's discuss one example in a main, how the main method is called in Java. So how the main method is called inside the Java. So let's take one example. So first we declare public class main. So let's take one class as the name as main. Then inside it our main method is written. The signature of main method is written, that is public static void main. Inside bracket there is string args. It is the syntax of writing main methods, and inside that we can write a multiple method, or we can call a multiple method, or any of the string inside a Java program. So we just take simply one output statement, that is system.out.println hello world. So we write this program. So in this program we don't return any value. So when we click on the run button, that's time our Java virtual machine finding where is the main class and start the executions of the program. After entering inside the main class, he finds the methods So we write as a public static, we write as a system.out.println hello world. So it will return us the value as a hello world. So in overall, the main method is the starting point. The main method is the starting point of executions of the program, where the Java virtual machine finds the main method and start the executions of program. And also it initialize the variables, executing the methods, and taking the user input values. Thank you so much.